Right then, so this is the lathe. It's going to change an object into this shape, into more of a cylinder shape, okay? First things first, make sure you mark out the center. It's a lot easier when you've got your squared off piece here. And then what you need to do is, using the lathe, make sure you clamp it in the correct place. So in there, and in there. Tighten it, make sure it's nice and tight because you don't want any movement in there because it will be rotating very, very quickly. You're then going to use this tool post, okay, which will make sure that it's over halfway of the material, because if it's underneath, what will happen is your gauge could get stuck underneath, next thing you know, and there could be an injury. So make sure it's over halfway, hold it in place like so, tighten it, and then you're good to go. Make sure PPA is correct, so you should be wearing an apron. You should also make sure that you've got your goggles on, because a lot of material comes flying off this, and make sure nobody is working in your personal space. First things first, you put your extraction unit on. Again, it will get rid of most of the material for you. You'll see it will all go into here. Okay, anything that's going to cause any damage to your eyes, etc., should go straight in here. So you'll see now that it's switched on, it will rotate. When it's not switched on, it won't move at all. Okay, it will be completely off. So that goes on, that rotates. Get your gauge. This is the important bit. Make sure nothing's in the way. Gales, Shayla's back. Get your gauge, hold it up this way. Make sure it stays straight. Put your finger under there, thumb on top. And what you do is you just go along the piece of material and slowly take the material away. As we've also mentioned with this, okay, this will take the first part of your material off. To get a finer finish, you can get yourself a smaller gauge like so. And it's the same kind of process. It spins, go across, making sure this finger stays on there, thumb on top. This is straight 90 degrees. You go across, you stop it, and that's how you create a cylinder piece using timber or Meranti or any type of wood that we've got in store.